In this video, I want to show you how you can add keywords to your Wix website. Now, if you want to do some SEO, of course you should put your keywords in the text on the site. But one thing you can do is just come over here. If you go to your site, press Design Site, and you're going to open up the site editor. Then what you should do is come here and select some of them. Go to Pages and Menu, Side Menu, and then you want to choose which one you want to do. So let's say it's the home one. On my side, of course, click on the three buttons and type SEO Basics. Now in here you will be able to see your preview on Google and the meta description down here. You can type in some of your keywords. Now this is also the title tag where you should type in keywords as well. And if you want, you can come back by going to the dashboard, which will look like this. Inside of here, go to Marketing, click on Marketing Home, and there will be an SEO setup checklist. I suggest you go to this one and just follow through. So click Get Started, and then you want to follow along and make sure you complete all of the ones that they show you. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.